What's going on, Ecom Pond? It's your boy Rubber Ducky, and in this video, we're going to be talking about setting up the backend properly so that your business doesn't fail and you don't get Shopify bans. Now, listen, having proper logistics is the most important thing. Everybody focuses on that winning product, but they don't realize that if you do hit that product that sells, you got to have the logistics to be able to handle it. So you got to work with a proper supplier. Ordering your stuff off CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress is not a good idea. Finding a supplier, they're a dime a dozen, but you really got to know who to work with, which is why in our Ecom Pond Discord, we have you access to my personal supplier. So what you want is you want the fastest shipping possible. That's right. You want to be able to advertise that you do fast shipping, okay? So my supplier drop ships things to the US or the UK within 7 days, okay? So the way you want to set up your back end is really simple. Once an order comes in, within 48 hours, it needs to be filled up. Okay. After 48 hours, within 7 days, it needs to be received. So it takes a total of 11 days for the product to come in. Now, if you want to learn how to set up the back end, join our Discord, because you've got to set up email flows with this so that you can actually capitalize on it. Customers want to stay up to date. They don't mind the shipping time as long as they know that they're not being scammed. So email number one needs to go out immediately after the order. Next day, there should be another email. Third day, there should be another email. Fifth day, there should be another email. 7 days later, there should be another email. And 11 days later, there should be another email. And then your last email should ask them to come back with a coupon code. Okay, that is the most important thing that you can set up in your back end. If you set this up properly the way I did, you will not have chargebacks. You will not have much returns. Okay, returns are going to happen when you're in the clothing business. It's normal. Okay, but you got to make sure you set up your sizes properly, and that's for another video. Anyway, I hope you guys like this sauce. This was a nice short one. Okay, make sure you guys hit the link below. Join the Discord, because right now we just set up our premium membership and we're about to have our first call on Wednesday, which is going to go over how to find a proper winning product. Okay, so again, like, subscribe. I appreciate the views. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.